Now Jesus is telling us something else. What kind of a person are you? Are you living on the surface, or is there some depth in you? Now, if you come to the depth, you will also encounter many things that will be obstacles in listening to what God is telling you. And this is what happened to Ignatius. While he had this experience of surrendering everything himself, and he came to Montserrat, where he gave up all his old ways. He was thinking of a worldly career, now he's thinking of a very spiritual career. He says, I give myself to God, and he is now in a place called Manresa. Now when he comes to Manresa, one of the things that happens to him is, he says, I've got to do penance and all that. So I will fast. So one of the things that he began to do was fasting. But God told him, things. So what would he do? He would go to the confessor and tell him what he's doing. And he said, the confessor will tell me what I have to do. And God speaks through the confessor and tells him, you got to be doing things in moderation. There's another thing that has happened to him. When he was in Montserrat, he made a thorough confession. He wrote down everything and he confessed all his sins. That was the grace that he received to tell all his sins. But now, again it's coming up. No, you have not confessed everything. And this began to make him go crazy, mad. He always wanted to commit suicide because it was so terrible. This is the work of the evil one. He has already confessed his sins. He has been forgiven, but now he is feeling that he has not confessed. This is the way the evil one works on us. Are you not trusting in God's mercy? He has forgiven you all your sins. What are you going about with it? You have become the center now. You can't forgive yourself for what you have done. Then he goes to the confessor and the confessor tells him, please stop all this. Then he realizes, yes, I've got to stop all this. Again it keeps coming. He knows that every time it comes, he has to give it back to God. And this is what all of us will also experience internally.